Videos. So he doesn't give constant updates, but he's starting to get into it. His name is Crypto Mark. Check him out. But we've done a phenomenal job out here at Rivian, raking in the cash and work for all of our workers. And we've kept a steady 15 guys working the whole year. And we've brought in an estimated revenue of nearly $2.5 million. Obviously, I didn't make that. I've got a small little piece of that, right, with my income there. But we've done a phenomenal job, and our work, the firm is very appreciative of how we're working out here, just like you, the audience, are just as important as that by following, listening, liking, and subscribing and using my partner link down below. If you're new to trading on BitGet, please use that. And I'm going to make a tutorial video on how to use BitGet. So we got a lot of things in the works. I'm going to start doing more and more members only videos. I'm sorry. I feel like you're not getting the content you deserve there because it's just been extremely busy. But I'm going to start to put up some stuff like that. That was a sneak peek on my Trading View technical tutorial for beginners. That's the kind of stuff that's going to be on categorized along with my fiscal policies. I got to start doing that again. I'm going to get that all up there, right? We're going to really get this thing cranking into high gear because you, the audience, needs that, right? You've been so good to me, and I got to continue to give you this good content, right? You guys deserve that content. You're owed it. And you can see XRP, like we've been watching, continues to bounce. And just to zoom out a little bit to see where you guys already know where we came from. But for anybody new here, me and my new lovely audience members, old Vincenzo at nauseum was diagnosing, sniffing out, and detecting this, right? The symmetrical triangle, which was a neutral continuation pattern, as you have a 90-degree right angle and then a triangle, right, where it looks like it's wide at the end and a duck's beak at the beginning. And I thought it would break down based on what I was seeing in the overall equity markets and the Fed, and it indeed broke down. And we had our technical target down there of 19 cents. But right now we're bouncing off the last line of defense, aka get my shit together zone, to the shit house, because the shit house is below that in a red. I think I deleted it on accident. We'll put it back up there. But right now, if you can continue to bounce on top of this, as we've had our first daily green candle in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 painful days, we finally got a green candle to pop up so far. And the next move up for XRP appears to want to be up here. So if you would like to trade that long or short, please use my link down below. I know you guys are sick of hearing that, but I need you, the audience, to hear that. Just it's a great way to help support the channel. And I think the next move up, if it bounces up, is 37 cents. If it fails this, you're going to retest at 28 cents, right? And then that's where it gets tricky, because if you fall too much below that, you just get the orders are going to flush this to the downside, right? So that's what's going on there. I would look for the move up into these moving averages and maybe come up to this 37 cents. That's a possible swing trade there, but we're going to keep a close eye out on this, because if it slips a little bit, you're going to have to come back down and retest to 28 cents. But don't get too concerned, because it can bounce on this and then shoot straight up. Or sometimes the market likes to trick you, right? And it likes to do something like this. It knows there's probably a bunch of orders down there to short, right, as soon as it slips. So often it likes to trigger, sneak down and slither like a snake, and then shoot right back to the upside, right? To sucker all these people in with limit orders. Limit orders are very dangerous because the market seems to know where they're at, right? And it likes to sneak every last little limit order in and then quickly reverse. And before you know it, you're getting fucking hammered. Fleece heisted and shysted. So that's what we're looking at there.